In this video, I show you how you can export as MP4 in Shotcut. So I have here a clip and I'd like to export it as MP4. To do so, just go to export once you have finished editing your file. And then under export here, look for the option called advanced. So if you tap on advanced, you'll be able to see the format of your video here. So mine is currently in MP4 format. However, should yours not be in MP4 format, you can go ahead and tap on this down arrow. And then from this list, look for MP4. And here is MP4. Great. Then you can go ahead and choose the other variables such as codec. And one of the best codec style is x256. So you go ahead and make sure that it is selected to this style. And once you're done, it's time to go ahead and download, and you can just download when you tap on export file, and this will come straight to your computer. So if this video is helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thank you for watching, and let's meet in the next video.